Blank stem, USA stem, Brazil stem. Let's inform and educate, shall we? Sit back and enjoy. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here, breaking the mold. Yeah. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. See the two different qualities of plastic? This pink one here, very high quality, made in USA. You look at this other one, very poor quality. It's actually made in Brazil. This is a true blank stem Brazil piece. See how smooth and crisp the USA stem is? Completely different plastic. Made at a completely different factory in a completely different country. Now, if you have this real nice plastic, they come in white, yellow, blue, but they'll be blank. Now, those are made in the USA's that are blank, with the real nice pastels. You usually find them on PALs. Those are not Brazil pieces. Definitely USA. Another way you can tell about the USA, the inner sleeve versus this inner sleeve. Let's go ahead and get them both. Contrast, compare. See the differences in the numbers? You can see on the left, the USA has the big circle, and on the right, it's just the number. See, it looks like a backwards 9. That could be an injection mold code, I'm not sure. But I do know that it's there, and it's on the Brazil. Another thing on these Brazil stems is you will see right here, sometimes it'll say Indústria de Brazil. This just means made in Brazil. So there you go. If it's good quality plastic and it's blank, it's USA. If it's poor quality plastic and blank, it's going to be Brazil. And yes, that's a complete Scrooge. We'll do a video on that later. But right now, it's most important to know, USA and Brazil, two completely different items. So until next time...